What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain. Today I wanted to give you a good look at the Tusk billet aluminum fire extinguisher mount for under the seats of these UTVs. Now, if you've got a UTV, you already know it is so important to have a fire extinguisher close by. You never want to be caught in a moment with your UTV where you don't have a fire extinguisher and you need one real bad. Now, this kit right here is going to make sure you've got one as close to you at all times, being right under the seat. Now, this is also a patented design, and we've put a ton of time into making sure that when you need your fire extinguisher, you can get it in your hands and off the machine as quick as possible, so you're ready to rock and roll with that thing. Now, to get this thing off this mount, it is as simple as possible. Again, this is a patented design, and we have put a ton of effort into making sure you can get that fire extinguisher into your hand quick. You pull on this red lever, it's one pin, it detaches from this, so you're ready to rock and roll. With this mount, this is made out of billet aluminum, and it's anodized black for a great finish. It's gonna hold up for a long time, and this thing does hold any fire extinguisher that you want that's in between 2 3/4 and 3.5 inches in diameter. Now, attaching to this billet mount is a machine-specific aluminum mount. Put in your year, make, and model of machine to make sure that we've got you covered with one of these mounts. But this thing is gonna be what you need if you want your fire extinguisher as close to you as possible. To get yours, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, we offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain ATV is the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.